Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and we want to personally invite you out to our Christmas open house this Saturday, November 5th from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. here at Sipkens Nurseries. So come on out and browse our gift store and get a great head start on your Christmas shopping. See it transformed into an amazing Christmas showpiece here. Our team have been working so hard. Also for the day, from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m., we're going to welcome 4 local businesses here. So we have Great Lake Goat Dairy coming with their artisan cheeses. Honeydew Honey is coming with their regular, creamed and flavored honey. We have The Cottage coming with their delicious treats. And we have Stone Pickers Brewery coming with 3 different types of brews. So they will be giving away free food samples from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. courtesy of Sipkens Nurseries. And there is also the opportunity to purchase some of their products. Then we also have live music here from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. So we have Just Gavin. He's going to be bringing his guitar and strumming some Christmas tunes. So that will really get all of us into the Christmas spirit. We're going to have hot apple cider here served all day long. And what is an open house without an amazing draw? So when you come into Sipkens Nurseries on Saturday, anytime during our business hours from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., you can enter for a chance to win a $250 Christmas shopping spree here at Sipkens Nurseries, as well as we have 2 $100 gift cards available to win. So that's our Christmas open house this weekend at Sipkens from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. and we can't wait to see you all out.